Eyelash perming or lash lifting is a chemical treatment for your eyelashes. It gives a temporary curl to your lashes, which can last up to weeks. Lash lifting is not so much of a hard task, but the components used for perming your lashes include chemicals, which should be handled with care. Any wrong move and you can harm your eye. Although eyelash perming is a difficult process, if you're confident enough to follow the instructions thoroughly, you can always give it a try in the comfort of your own home. Going to the salon regularly for lifting your lashes will cost you big bucks. That's why an eyelash perm kit can go a long way to help you maintain that lash curl for weeks. So in today's video, we're going to talk about the 5 best eyelash perming kits, which will give you the best lash curling results right in your own home. So let's check them out.
The trendy beauty team, consisting of skincare and beauty experts, presents the best suitable products for you based on testing, reviews, and recommendations. We research thoroughly for each category on ingredients, formulas, pricing, and feedbacks of users, so that you get the best products for your skincare, saving your time.
If you're looking for efficient and durable eyelash perming results at home, get your Aroamas Eyelash Perming Kit for your lashes. This product is suitable for both professional and private use. It lifts up your eyelashes to form the perfect curl, creating long-lasting curls safely. This eyelash perm kit creates long curls, which gives you a brighter, wide-eyed look, complementing any look for parties, weddings, or simply daily makeup. This kit is easy to use and gives you long-lasting curls. No extra heaters required for this process. The kit contains perm lotion, fixing agent, nutrition lotion, cleanser, false lash glue, lift pads, and a cleaning tool. The Aroamas Eyelash Perm Kit has earned quite a number of reviews and ratings on Amazon from its users. According to the reviews, this eyelash perming kit works quite well, and the difference is noticeable, but some users complain that the eyelash kit didn't really work for them. Time to check out the ratings. Save your money while skipping the salon because the ICONSIGN Lash Lift promises to give you long-lasting results while providing you with a perfect lash lifting experience right in your own home. The Lash Kit is vegan and toxic-free. The solutions contain keratin enhancement treatment, which is made from premium quality, which has been rigorously tested to ensure safety and effectiveness for you. The Perm solution helps to soften your eyelashes for better curling. Fixation solution makes eyelashes last longer, and the nutrition solution nourishes and takes care of your lashes. The kit comes with a product manual and a product user video, cleanser, perming, fixing, and moisturizing agents, perming glue, Y-shaped perming brushes, and a silicone perming rod. You can save your money and precious time with the help of this convenient lash lift kit. This kit is available on Amazon and has gained many reviews and ratings from its users. The reviews say it all. Users praise this product as it gave them great-looking eyelashes, which also looked natural, but some of them said that the application process is a bit difficult. Time to check out the ratings. If you want professional quality eyelash perming treatment with the comfort of your own home, the Tetyana Naturals Lash Lift might be a great option for you. The eyelash perm glue is purely made from plant extract, which is quite friendly for all kinds of eyelashes. This semi-perm will help your eyes look bigger and more beautiful without any makeup. It lifts up your eyelashes to form the perfect curl. The product has a great formula and it's safe for both at-home and professional use. You can wake up to perfectly curled lashes, and the results will last for about 1 month. The kit contains perm lotion, fixing agent, nutrition lotion, and cleanser, eyelash glue, cleaning tools, and lift pads. It's easy to use and gives you flawless curls every time. The Tetyana Naturals Lash Lift is a great product which has earned many positive reviews and ratings on Amazon. According to the reviews, it's a great product which provides you with long-lasting results. Users were quite satisfied with the outcomes, but some of them said that the product didn't really meet their expectations. Okay, it's time to check out the ratings. Our next product is the Eyelash Perm Kit from SILKSENCE, which is a great option for women who are willing to get extra curl for their natural eyelashes. This kit is made of premium quality ingredients for providing you with long-lasting results. It offers a semi-permanent curly wave for supreme curling. The product assures you that it will not cause adverse skin and allergic reactions. It's gentle on eyelashes, and you will not face dryness or loss of lashes after using it. Besides all the essentials, this kit has a nourishing lotion which strengthens the lashes after you have curled them to the desired position. The kit comes with 4 bottles of perm fixation, nutrition and cleanser solutions, false lash glue, cleaning tools and lift pads, and this perming kit will give you results which last up to 6 weeks long. The SILKSENCE Lash Lift Eyelash Perming Kit has earned many reviews and ratings on Amazon. After going through the reviews, users love this product as it provides great lash lifting results. It's also a great product for achieving brighter eyes, and your lashes stay curled even through the heat of the summer. But some of the users were not satisfied with this product. It's time to rate this Eyelash Perm Kit. If you're planning for a pajama party or simply relaxing at home with your friends, one thing that you can try is the VASSOUL Lash Lifting Eyelash Perming Kit, which is our top pick for today's video. This kit comes with a premium lash adhesive, which is gentle enough for sensitive eyes and is safe on skin. It gets tacky in seconds and dries invisible. The fixation solution is mild in formula, which dries quickly without any stimulation. It contains moisturizing ingredients for your dry lashes. The perm solution takes 3 to 7 minutes and provides you with fast results. The cleanser is oil-free and is great for proper and thorough removing. The package comes with 4 different bottles containing perm lotion and fixation, nutrition and cleanser solution. It also includes clean tool, lift pads, and soft lash glue. This kit will provide you with lash curls which will last up to 12 weeks, and you can use it for up to 15 times and get beautiful lashes anytime. The VASSOUL Lash Lift Eyelash Perming Kit is one of the most reviewed eyelash perm kits and has earned a huge number of reviews and ratings on Amazon. Users love this lash kit because it actually works. It makes your eyelashes look long and curly, and you can see the results for yourself, but some of them said that they faced some problems while using this kit. So let's check out the ratings for this eyelash perm kit. So those were our top 5 eyelash perm kits. Thank you so much for watching our video. If you liked the video, then hit like and share with your friends. Comment below to let us know your thoughts. Consider subscribing to the channel if you love our videos and press the bell icon to get notified of our future videos.